Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Gavin, 53, was one of 22 people who died in the White Island eruption along with his 15-year-old stepdaughter, Zoe Hosking. Gavin's wife, and Zoe's mother, Lisa Dallow, survived but suffered serious injuries and has spent months recovering.
Let's help you make your mark.
White Island, Bay of Plenty. In December of 2019, a volcanic eruption occurred at Whakaari, White Island. To ensure the safety of locals and visitors, there are currently no tours or flights to the island.
Let's help you make your mark.
A fatal explosive volcanic eruption from vents in the 1978-90th crater complex occurred at 2:11 p.m. on Monday, 9th of December 2019. Tragically, some visitors and guides on the island at the time were killed, and many injured.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A White Island tour guide and eruption survivor says he is improving every day after the devastating volcano blast. Jake Milbank, 19, suffered burns to 80% of his body when the volcano erupted off the coast of Whakatane on New Zealand's North Island on December 9, killing 21 people, including 16 Australians.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.